Welcome back to TechMan. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear the Facebook cache on your Android or iPhone. This will be quick and easy, so make sure to watch until the end. First, let's open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access the menu. Now tap the settings gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and find the browser option. Next, go to Browsing Data section and tap on Clear on your browsing data. It says here clearing browsing data can clear your cookies and caches from the website. Also, you can also toggle off the autofill and contact forms and payment forms. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the Facebook cache on your iPhone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.